Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect second device to your headphones JLab JBuds Lux. So right here, as you can see, this headphones is connected with the first device and do not connect it with the second one. But it's upper dual connection, so we can connect two devices to these headphones without any disconnect or unpair. So firstly, turn off your earbuds if it's turned on. And now, after you did it, just press and hold at this multifunctional button right here until this LED light starts flashing blue and red to enter prank mode. Here we go. And now we can see that the device listed the second device, so click on it to connect. And we did it. And also just click on your headphones at the device list on your first device, and as you can see right here, we just connected it, and nobody is disconnected this headphones. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.